This is my $500 four-wheel drive Ford Ranger, and it looks nice. But when I got it, it looked more like this, and it had a ton of issues. Today, it'll be fixed, restored, and cleaned inside and out, so stay tuned. So right after buying the truck, I knew I wanted to get the tailgate and the back of the bed fixed and repainted. Most body shops wanted way more than the truck was worth, and it was going to take forever, but luckily a buddy of mine was able to knock it out in his backyard. That means the result wasn't perfect, but it's a whole lot better than it was. One of the main issues with the truck is the speedometer wasn't working. Makes me wonder what else doesn't work. Next, I went to Pick and Pull to grab some parts. This was before Target got canceled, by the way. The first thing to throw on is a new tail light, and this is the side that had the crash damage, so it took a little extra persuasion. Next, I wanted to address the tailgate handle, because the only way to put the tailgate down was reaching through the inside and pulling on the rods. While I was at that junkyard, I found all those parts, plus a Ford emblem. I was making good progress getting the headliner out and even found where that spare key was. But there's just one issue. I got the wrong headliner. Until I can get a different one, I'll move on to tackling this nasty interior. With the inside transformed, I moved on to the outside, and I started by pulling all the metal out of the bed. Luckily, I spotted these nails before they found their way into my tires. Now it's time to clean up the outside with a good wash. And this thing clearly could use it. Looking in the engine bay, it seems like this is a good place to start. This thing probably has never been cleaned. As I dry the car off and apply some finishing touches, this Danger Ranger is really coming together. And for less than the price of a new iPad, I think I got a great deal. Thanks for sticking to the end. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future content. And if you could, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. That would be great. Oh yeah, click one of those videos in front of you. See ya.